I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want calls stopped now, so enable airplane mode first. This kills all radio connections, including cellular voice. Once done, open Control Center and turn Wi-Fi back on so your phone can access the internet. Make sure Wi-Fi shows as connected in Settings Wi-Fi. This method blocks incoming calls but allows apps, iMessage, FaceTime, and web browsing over the network. It's fast and reversible. When you're ready to receive calls again, disable airplane mode and cellular voice returns. If you need selective blocking, open Settings Focus Do Not Disturb and enable it. This silences incoming calls and notifications without cutting data. Adjust calls from to none or favorites to permit limited contacts. Also enable repeated calls if you want emergency override, or configure emergency bypass per contact for urgent reachability. Once set, apps still use cellular or Wi-Fi data normally, so streaming and messaging continue. Make sure to toggle focus off when you want full phone functionality again. For more robust control, use your carrier's call forwarding to route incoming calls to voicemail or another number. This preserves data while stopping calls. You can also block specific numbers in phone recents or a contacts page. If calls still get through, restart your iPhone and verify settings cellular is correct. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear stuck configs. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Sometimes network side features override device settings, and they can apply a block for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.